Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can write privacy policy on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right now, in order to write a privacy policy for your Shopify store, it's pretty easy. First of all, open a new tab and then search for Shopify like this, Shopify privacy and policy. And then once you do that, you're going to find the Shopify policy generator. Go ahead and give it a click. And then you're going to be taken to this page right here. So basically, guys, you should go to this website, shopify.com/tools/policy generator. Once you're here, go ahead and click on create privacy policy. And then you're going to be here. So once you're here, go ahead and enter your company informations, your company name, your email, your address, your postal code, also your region right here, state, your city, and then here enter your website information. And after that, all you need to do, guys, is click on send me my privacy policy, and then you're going to receive your privacy policy on your email address. It's going to be generated, or you can just go ahead and generate it using AI. For example, go ahead and search for chat GPT. And then, for example, you can ask it to, for example, generate me privacy policy like this for my Shopify store. And then go ahead and click on enter. And then, as you can see, guys, here it will give you, as you can see, guys, like a template, or you can just give it the necessary informations, and then it will generate you the complete privacy policy. And then you can just copy it from here and paste it on your Shopify store. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.